Welcome back to Crypto Market Updates. I know that there are many of you who would like to make some extra cash with crypto. So in today's video, that's exactly what I'm going to talk about. There is a branch of people who love getting free things. I mean, we all love making free things, getting free things, but there is a branch of thought that presumes that you can make a living or you can get some extras by following the trends in airdrops and sometimes occasionally in getting involved into crypto forks. So in today's video, I'm going to show you what the websites are that list airdrops and potential forks so that you could make some extra crypto following these trends. So make sure to stick around till the very end of the video. It's going to be a very short video in which I will show you some websites and then explain what the benefits are of airdrops and, well, obviously you probably know, but what the downsides are of those as well. So smash up the likes on this video, subscribe, and of course, watch till the very end. So there's this airdrops aggregator, best cryptocurrency airdrop websites, which lists some of the websites, and I decided to go over ahead and have a look at them. It's called cryptoadventure.com airdrops. One of the first ones is listed on there is cryptocurrency token airdrops and bounties on our Reddit, crypto airdrop. And if you go to the crypto airdrop or Reddit, there's a bunch of things that are listed, which you can have a look at. Mine with your laptop or on MacBook. Not only do they list airdrops, but also, I guess, ways of mining some crypto. Now, the thing with airdrops is you have to keep in mind that these are promotional ventures. Basically, any new projects that want to promote themselves, they do airdrops, and in order to get an airdrop, you would have to have your wallet connected, whatever wallet, if it's MetaMask or if it's, I guess, I don't know if it's possible to connect with Ledger to these projects or any other wallet, Trust Wallet. You will need to have that a wallet, crypto wallet, and you will most likely have to connect to the project with that wallet. Also, you need to keep in mind that in some cases, these projects require a small purchase of a certain amount in order to get an airdrop. So basically, you make a small purchase of whatever native token they require, and then after a little while or immediately you will receive the promised tokens. So it's not always completely free. So let's have a look here. 10,000 Ethereum tokens airdrop. Join Discord. So you have to join the Discord channel here, for example. Let's go to have a look at that. Okay, let me just have a look so I don't give out too much private stuff here. By Ethereum. Yeah, okay, so you have to log in on Discord and you will receive, there's a verification process. You have to go through Discord, and then you might be able to get some stuff on there. So yeah, so that's one. Okay, so this is kind of questionable. The next website that I found is Airdrops Mob. This website, it's a pretty good layout. You can log in, I guess, create your account, register, log in. They're active. They're hold and forks, and they're closed projects, and there is also a blog. So active right now, they've got Infinity Games and Tavera ends tomorrow. Okay, this Infinity Games ends in 2 days. Infinity Games looks kind of cool, and you click there, and it gives you the procedure of how to get involved. So go to the airdrop page on Zeely, sign up with the wallet, complete the task, like following them on Twitter or joining the Telegram group. There are always tasks that you need to complete. So I go to Zeely, and of course the website's not working. So with the airdrops, you have to take the time to investigate and look through them. It's not an easy thing to do. Tavera, same thing. Go to the Tavera website and log in. Change your network in MetaMask to ZK Sync, mint in your intro ID, and then mint games. So Tavera looks actually kind of cool. It looks interesting, but you need to mint things before. So it says mint a Guardian NFT to play the game. For more information, so you will have to mint an NFT first, and then I guess after that happens, you will be able to claim some kind of airdrop. Airdrops Mob also has forks, which are already closed. Closed. Okay, done. So these are all closed. Forks. Okay, so you need to be. That's the thing with these airdrops. You have to be on top of the game. You have to be on top of it and really hunt for these things in order to receive. And I guess if you are following closely enough, you'll be able to make some extra cash. Whether it's worth it, I'm not entirely sure. But okay, the next website is Airdrops Live. They seem to have a pretty good layout here. Airdrops Live. They also have a Discord channel. You can submit airdrops if you have a project and you want to drop a token there. Hyper MVM is a gaming guild, and we're build our first gaming app for gamers, scholars, guilds, and stake. How to redeem airdrops? So you go to HyperVMXG, download and install the app, Android app, select the username, complete the profile, top up your wallet with at least $5 in stable coins to be whitelisted for the IDO. So these airdrops are not always guaranteed. Oftentimes you will receive, there is a selection, top 5 people selected out of 1,000 will receive the airdrop. So the airdrops are not always a guarantee. You need to read through the announcements. This one basically, it's a game. So later it shows you the steps that you need to go through in order to get yourself installed and set up, and then you're good to go. So there you have it. So this is for the MVM hyper game. BitGold I already checked out. It all looks great. You're supposed to get 5,000 BitGold, get up to 1,000 for each referral. I go to claim airdrop. It's working, fantastic. Before it wasn't working. BitGold price $1. Purchase token sale ends. It ended already apparently. No, maybe it doesn't end. There's still, so you still have time right now. What's the deal here? Sign up for the bitgoldtoken.com. I think this website doesn't work. Verify. Yeah, okay, there you go. Error page. So you gotta watch out that you have to watch out for scams and such. So that's another downside of trying to get some airdrops. You don't always know how reliable these things are. It could be rug pulls and scams. So this website has Airdrops Live, has a bunch of airdrops that are listed. So if you do have the time, then go ahead and skim through them and see if there's anything worth it. I guess right here, this is an indication of the amount of airdrops. $100, $30 to be decided, $25, $50, $2,000, $27,500 refer to earn. That's interesting. 11 like blockchain technology or a revolutionary concept that changed the phase of digital industry and it was a game changer. We're excited to announce that the official airdrop campaign is now live. Interested users can join the airdrop. Went up to 20 tokens free. Start date 22nd September 2022. Oh, okay, and that's still live. Airdrop. Let's have a look. Let's see if this works. It's a decentralized way of creating an No, I guess that's finished. So I'm not sure why that's still listed here. Alright, airdrops live. Okay, the next one. Let's go to the next one here. Not this one. Not this one. Airdrop alert.com. Back to the overview. So this one has apparently, this website sends alerts, but it's also a bit iffy. On crypto giveaways. Okay, so if you go to the main website, airdropalert.com, there are featured airdrops, new airdrops, and there are things that are listed here. Airdropsalert.com. The next one is freecoins24, and this one, it's a good layout as well, and it looks like what is it? ICO drops, similar features, similar layout. 30 days left, so it gives you an indication of how many days are left. Let's have a look at OKX. What's the value? OKX is a crypto exchange, so it possibly is that you may have to sign up, make a deposit, maybe make a trade. Binance has a lot of these. Actually, all of the exchanges have a lot of like trading competition. So if you make a deposit and you make a trade, then you will stand a chance to win some money. So it's not always. You have to read between the lines. Up to $1,000 users are just required to join OKX Zilli community program. Thumbs up and down to be able to get a share of 1,000 for free. Oftentimes exchanges only give like $1 or $2. I know KuCoin was giving out $1 or even less than that for completing tasks and stuff like that. So it's not always the best. DeFi expect not available. Found it. Register for the platform, sign up and verify your email, connect your wallet, explore platform, scan your wallet, enjoy other features on DeFi. Good luck. Okay, but what's the airdrop? What's the actual airdrop? So some of these things are not even airdrops anymore. Alrighty. Whatever, free coin. Okay, so there's free coin. The next one is airdrops.io. Altitude. Let's have a complete testnet action. So let's have a look at the first one here. See what that says. Visit the website. Total value 5% of the token supply platforms. How do you get it? Connect your wallet now. Change the network to Avalanche. Go back to bridge page. Go to pools. Provide liquidity. So you have to invest a little bit. Go to farms. Farm tokens. Try to do the transaction. They've allocated 5% of the token supply to strategic airdrops. Users will get free LTD from using the platform. So if you go and stake your farm, provide liquidity to the farms, you will get a portion of 5% of the overall token that is being listed on Avalanche. So I guess things like Uniswap or 1inch also provided airdrops, and these are meant for new new projects that are being listed on these exchanges to promote the exchange and also the projects, and so they provide it. So if you go, for example, if Uniswap would had an airdrop, you would have to go to Uniswap, register, you provide liquidity to a specific token, and then the token provides you with some free tokens of their own. Wall Street is a perfect example here. I think you have to, total value there. So they're doing $50,000 worth of Wall Street meme token drop, and you must buy at least 100 WSM. So you make a small purchase, and then you stand a chance to win. Complete the tasks will be randomly selected to win 10,000 worth of WSM each. 5 participants. So they're giving 50,000. 5 participants can win, but how many people will participate? Who knows? There's going to be a lot of people because it's a pretty popular meme. And so, yeah. The last one is rank 5, potential airdrops. So these are things, they have just a list of airdrops listed here, and these are all potential. ZK Sync I know is coming up unconfirmed. I talked about ZK Sync in a previous video. I will keep you updated on the actual token sale, and see if they have a airdrop coming up, but they haven't announced anything yet. And then there's a list of completed airdrops. Also, there's some other guides and stuff. So that's it. So the overall summary of this video, whether it's worth it or not to bounty hunt, or rather to follow airdrops, if you have the time and if you're lucky, then yes. But overall, I would say that airdrops are probably not the best way of making money in crypto. It's probably a lot better to get your money into some proper coins and stake them for some returns, and of course hodl for, you know, and wait for the bull run that's coming up. Or if you are into trading, then do trading. But if you can't trade, then I would say just small investment, hold it for a longer period, because you know, that's the way to go. And of course, stake if you can stake on an exchange or through a hardware wallet, because those were probably the best and most stable ways of making some extra crypto. Make sure to smash up the likes on this video, subscribe to the channel, and come back for the next video. Bye bye.